Yes, sir.
Today your batch is going to pass out SSB. This is the batch number 13 by 2025. Okay, are you confident?
Yes, sir.
Here all the tasks you will see the GTO, psychology, interview have been covered by the expert here. And basically now you are proceeding with SSB. Everybody got SSB date?
Yes, sir.
Good. Basically some few things to just remember. Thing is that whatever has been taught here, all the way from GTO, psychology, interview, group tasks, individual tasks, especially mock interview. Everybody got the observation?
Yes, sir.
Just do one thing before proceeding with the SSB. Just do some homework. Have you got this book?
Yes, sir.
This book is quite important for you, what I am telling you. This book is designed by Doon Defense Academy. Basically, you'll find each and everything here. You'll find all the way YR, reasoning, GD, group discussion topics are there, lecture topics are there, all the psychology test assessment are there. Okay, technique of mock interviews are there. Okay, just after this, go through the complete book. And second thing, just remember, get ready all the documents, original documents ready for the SSB. Just go through the complete instructions given for joining letter. You'll find the complete joining letter. Get ready all documents, your uniform, your turnout, and reach there in time. The very important part. Okay, and be confident. First day, I think stage 1 is covered.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Just try to screen in first. Okay, your turnout, your way of talking, moving from one place to another place. You will be monitoring by the defense personnel there in SSB center all the way, and you will be known by the chest number only. Nobody will know your name. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
And you are all the things. If you are doing the group tasks, individual tasks, so just be in friend circle and be in nature. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I think is that before going, just update your current affairs. Most of things you'll find the question from armed forces. Just get the complete information about the Army, Navy, Air Force with the present scenario.
Yes,
Understood?
Yes, sir.
All the weapons, all the guns, missiles, all the aircraft carriers, all the aircrafts operating by the Indian Air Force. You should know the complete knowledge. And be confident. Your body language, your face expressions. Okay, they want to see the leadership quality on you. Basically, SSB is only for selection, not for rejection. They want to see your potential, whether you can become leader or not. Straight away, I'm telling you. तो आपके चेहरे पे एक स्माइलिंग होनी चाहिए. Understood? आपके अंदर कोई हेजिटेशन नहीं होनी चाहिए. And give a proper answer to the interviewing officer. Understood?
Yes.
Don't beat about the bush. किसी को घुमाने के चक्कर मत करना है. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
If you got any doubt, straight away tell him, I got a little doubt in this question, I will check and get back. Don't make any false answer. Okay? It shows your performance. Okay, gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
So basically, next batch is from 24th August from Doon Defense Academy, and after that, 4 August and 18 August. So if you want to continue, basically, once again, Doon Defense Academy prepare for this. Okay? And all the best and good luck from Doon Defense Academy directors, staff and faculty. Do well. Okay, gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just as I told you, just go through this book. This book is quite important. Okay, one by one you will be coming here. I will be giving one small token of love, like a plastic flower. When you will basically get selected in armed forces, and you will be coming with the original one. And you will get 10,000 cash award also. Okay, gentlemen?
Yes.
So you can come one by one for this. Okay, and you will be saying your name, right, and your where you from and for which entry you are. Okay?
My name is Yuvraj. I am from Bathinda, Punjab, and I am going to technical entry 54.
Okay, all the best, brother. Good luck.
My name is Vaishali Singh. I am from Rajasthan, Sawarnakpur. I am going for 10 NDA.
All the best, brother. Good luck.
My name is Prakhar Badoni. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and I am going for the technical entry.
Okay, all the best, brother. Good luck.
Good morning everyone. My name is Prakhar Vadoni and my entry is Technical Entry Scheme TS54. I took coaching for my SSB in Doon Defence Academy, and the coaching was amazing. I got to know about the various tests they take at the SSB. Now I am well versed in all the tests they take at the SSB center, that is various kind of GTO tests, word association with VAT, thematic appreciation test TAT, and all the other kind of tests.
Good morning everyone, my name is Yuvraj. I am from Punjab and my entry is Technical Entry TS54. I took SSB coaching from Sandeep Sir Doon Defence Academy. This is a very good coaching and I become more confident as they teach us many tasks.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Vaishali Singh. I am from Rajasthan. My entry is ND entry and I come to Sandeep Sir Doon Academy for my SSB coaching. The GTO sir and the psychology teacher and the OA teacher both enlarge my confidence in both the fields of physical, lectures, interviews, etc. I feel very much confident after joining the course. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Ajay Rawat. I am from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. I have taken written coaching from Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy and I am currently preparing for my AFSB Dehradun for FCAT entry and SSB Prayagraj for CDS IMA entry. I have prepared at the SSB facility at Doon Defence Academy. All the faculties are very good and they have enhanced my personality and I am very confident in my attempt. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Narendra Singh and I am from Etah district of Uttar Pradesh. I am here for my preparation of SSB as well as my written. I am clearing FCAT exam as well as CDS exam from Sandeep Sir Doon Defence Academy. And talking about SSB, so all the teachers are army veterans, so they provide a good experience and exposure of SSB, and the environment is very friendly. I gain a lot of friends and experience of the SSB. Thank you.
Okay, gentlemen, how the Josh for SSB? Hi, sir! How the Josh for SSB? Hi, sir! Lakshya ko? Lakshya ko? Jai Hind! Jai Hind! And all the best.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.